Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode from my Minecraft survival world. And I did do something before I started the video. I got myself some leather because I was low on that and I genuinely have no idea why I got myself leather. I just felt like getting leather. And where I got the leather is on the mushroom island with a load of mushroom cows. And that's near the mesa, so I thought I'd also just grab a load of sticks. I mean, why not? So we now have sticks for days, leather for not many days, but enough days. And what I wanted to start the video off with is go and show you another thing I did, if I did. I can't remember if I did. Yes, I did. Good. Show you another thing I did. I don't actually need to get rid of that. Look at those guys. I got 2 villages and I am ready to set up a villager trading hall. I have this, I'll have that, thank you very much. And also, during my expedition, I took my emeralds with me and I got as many things together as I could. We got another hermit head, which is BOO's head. And I still have to cross these off my list, but we filled the first barrel. These are new ones. I actually found an abandoned portal so that I could get the blackstone, and I went through and this is some new blocks we got, and we also started filling up the next barrel, so that's good. And this is the amount of food we got from all that, and we have 44 in our hotbar as well. And what I wanted to start this episode off with is start building my villager breeder. And starting to think of which villages I want to start off with. So, well, I'll be back with you once I have finished that villager breeder. Alright, as you can see from the monstrosity behind me, and it is a monstrosity, you will see that I have finished my villager breeder. There is 2 guys in there. I gave them some carrots and they already made one little guy. I don't think they have enough carrots to make another one, so I might just have to give them more. But yeah, we got these 2 out of their holes, we put them in here, we have some rails now. And I was maybe thinking of putting the village trading hall up that hill. But I also had the idea to make a shack around this thing, just a little shack, it doesn't have to be big. And then maybe just like put an underground rail system either that way or that way, because I might build it here. That way you can like see the villagers like going underground towards their forever home. And just, I also want to like put a zombificator thing in there so that they get turned into zombie villagers, so that I can have the best possible trades. Although I might just send them into this hill, have the zombification thing inside of this hill, which you don't actually have to see. And then you can see a track running into this hill. Then, like from this side or something, a track will come out into a building over there. Or here somewhere. That might actually do the job. Like a track would come out from here, and it would go into here, probably. And I would just dig into this mountain and close it up, because I'm going to terraform this anyway. And then it goes through the process, like over here or something, and I'll have to find an entrance. Maybe I can do a secret piston door, where just like a side in a mountain opens up, or it's just like 2 blocks here and a piston door opens and I can walk in. That would actually be real cool. So not only I can access this, I mean, it's a single player world, but like, crap. Yeah, it's a single player world, so nobody's gonna access it, but I do like making doors. So I'm probably gonna make a secret door in this mountain, have a villager zombificator thing in here, and then have a track send them out into their respectable building. And I might need to just like fill in this entire bit with dirt. But it doesn't matter what I decide on, because I am pretty sure that you guys are going to see a time lapse next. So whatever we're making, enjoy. Alright, it is the next day for me now, and I have done some testing for my village trading hall. As you have seen from the last time lapse, I have prepared an area where I'm going to build it, and I have completely got away from the plans I had earlier. Now, I had this circular design, but there are a few issues with that, especially with the villagers walking around, standing over here. I didn't really like that. The diagonals were not really what I wanted. The villagers aren't taking their jobs because I have to put fences here, and for some reason they won't take their jobs anymore. These ones are fine. And then I thought, let's take this design one step further, and if we fly out of this mess over here real quick, I made a path and just a long row of villagers and their professions. Well, how do you get there, sir? Well, anyway, I have enough librarians for the basic start, being mending, unbreaking, efficiency, fortune, and silk touch. That's the basic things for all the librarians, and then I have a type of every single villager except the leather worker, which I forgot. I might put that in there later. But this is the design I am going with. It's a sort of marketplace design, and I might double up on this and have it mirrored on the other side. That's something I might do. And I went with a rainbow design because I was like, hey, why not? And well, I am gonna get straight to building this thing now. Enjoy the time lapse. Alright, now, as you can see, I have finished building my villager trader hall, and it has actually been 2 days since I last recorded. I got very uninspired playing Minecraft, and I decided to try and get my creative spirits up by drawing, and that worked, and it actually took me 2 days to get back on track, so that's why this video is a little later. Thank you for your patience. I also haven't been live in a long time, like a real long time, and I want to get back on that, but well, thanks for your patience, and all that's left to do now is grab our villages and put them in here. And I think I showcased the initial design. I'm gonna back away from that a little bit. I'm going to put in the villages who are most important for me now. And but I won't put any other villages in which are not important to me right now. So let's put the villager breeder right over there, that you can't really see but sort of can see. Let's put that thing to work in there and get this thing filled up with villagers, shall we? Alright, as you can see, I now have all of my villagers in place. I heard a thing behind me, whatever. Super hot in here. I have to turn my fan off for recording, but jeez, I'm sweating like immediately. Anyway, we have our Silk Touch guy, we have a Looting 3 guy, we have a Fortune 3 guy, we have an Aqua Infinity guy. I decided to keep that one. We have a Mending guy, we have an Unbreaking 3 guy, and I had a lot of struggles with this. An Efficiency 2 guy. I tried to get Efficiency 5. It was taking years, so I decided to just stop on whatever efficiency book I would get. and just combine them constantly. And that's gonna take a lot of levels, but I'm prepared for that. And I'll go over to my farmer villages here. We have wheat guys, and also, yeah, there were a few accidents where I had to hit the villages. That's why they're also expensive. This is gonna be fun. We have another wheat guy, and we have a carrot guy, and another wheat guy. And we have a clay guy for the masons. I think they trade armor things, or that might be the armorer, which would make a lot more sense. We have another clay guy, another clay guy, and another clay guy. Most of these are clay, or all of them are clay. Most of those are wheat guys, and this is the most essential ones. These are the emerald getters, basically. So, this video, it's taken me long. I had a bit of a breakdown. I got back from it. I had a second breakdown. This is me after my second breakdown. It's been like 2 days since I last recorded. What's wrong with my arm, by the way, on the skin? Huh. Well, I'll have to figure that out at a later date. But I had, like I said, I had a second breakdown. Took me a while to get back from it, but I'm back from it. I think it's been 2 days, something like that. And I'm back to recording. And it was a huge pain to set up that last villager because I just couldn't get him to have an efficiency trade. Like, initially, like I said, I was going for an efficiency 5 trade. But I gave up on that. Yes, I gave up on that. And I decided to take whatever efficiency he gave me. It took half an hour to get him to give me efficiency 2, alright? So I'm just gonna get all my tools enchanted up, which might take a couple days. Probably 1 or so. And I'll be back with you. I was hoping to get this video out today, which is Sunday the 9th of August. But probably not gonna happen. It's probably gonna go out on either Monday or Tuesday. I have not started editing yet, so that's gonna be fun. But thank you for your patience, and it's also been a while since I've done live streams. It's just been too hot in this country to do any sort of live stream. So, the next time you'll see me is when I'll have all my tools enchanted up. And that's probably where I'll end the episode, maybe, and start resource gathering in episode 4. Alright, see you then. Alright, as you can see, I now have 25 levels. I stayed up a couple nights and got myself some levels. So, we're gonna now rename some things, and we're starting with the pickaxe, apparently. Now, this is my Silk Touch pickaxe. I used to call him, or her, or they, I don't know, Softboy, but I'm kind of leaning away from that, but I'm gonna do it anyway, because I can't think of something better. My diamond sword is going to be named Murder Stick. I really like that name. And as for my other pickaxe, my, what's it called? Fortune 3 pickaxe. I call my Fortune 3 pickaxe Rich Boy. That's the thing I do. My diamond axe. I usually have no idea what to call my axe, but I'm gonna call him Chopper. Cause I can. I have no better name. As for my diamond shovel, I used to call them like grindy boy, because well, you basically only use your shovel for grinding, or about only for grinding. As for the hoe, I've never really named a hoe. Huh. Farmy boy. Not a clue. And now as for my armor. Some of these are going to be very basic, like the boots. They're going to be socks. I mean, well, that's unfortunate. I'll be back once I've got another. No, actually, I don't think I need to leave. I think I actually have enough iron. Maybe. If that's on my iron, then I don't have enough. Might have enough iron for another one. There we go. I put on my socks, that's fine. 3 blocks of... No, not 3 blocks of steak. That would be a bit useless. And I don't know the crafting recipe I'm just gonna do it that way. Alright, we have an anvil now. Great. Gonna put my iron back. And we have another anvil. I wasn't expecting that to break. Leggings. Now I'm gonna have to think. Pajama? Is that how you spell it? I know that's the Dutch spelling. I'm just gonna call them this. I don't know if I spelled it correctly in English, but just play. Shiny shirt. And as for the helmet, I used to call my helmet hair, but that's a bit stupid. All to my opinion now. Breather, because it has aqua affinity and respiration. I'm gonna call it breather. Alright, put all this back on. Now we have our tools. We have breather, shiny shirt, pajama pants, socks, murder stick, rich boy, soft boy, chopper, grindy boy, and farmy boy. And I'm gonna end this. Jesus, I'm gonna end the episode here. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm leaving that in. You know. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and one more thing to show you. This is what happens if I don't sleep. The village is burned. Yeah. They turned into zombies. Or they got turned into zombie villages. They burned. Anyway, I'm ending the episode here. Hope you enjoyed. We got full diamond. And next episode, I'm going to be gathering as many resources as I can to be able to start moving to my my main base. And it's not even going to be my only base. No, I have plans for this. And those plans are becoming closer to being a reality sooner than I thought. Another thing we might do next episode is make an XP farm, and that's probably going to be a gold farm as well, although I do want to do that above the Nether, and I have no idea how to break Bedrock. So that's going to be fun, but that's a thing I want to do in the next episode, and definitely not today, because I am sweating without my fan. Jesus. Anyway, see you next time. Hope you enjoyed.